Hi everyone, welcome back to Cao 2025. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful trick that will change how you handle batch processing in ComfyUI. If you've ever found yourself manually changing prompts, file paths, or settings for every single render, this video is for you. We're going to learn how to load data directly from a TXT file. This allows you to queue up multiple tasks at once, using different parameters for each, all automatically. Don't worry if you're new. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, and I'll walk you through every node. Important rules for your text file: leave 2 empty lines before every new data number. X block. Keep your data count consistent. If data 1 has 4 lines, data 2 should also have 4 lines. Use unique numbers for each ID. Pro tip: ComfyUI caches your text file in a temp folder. If you change your text file while Comfy is open, you might need to restart Comfy or save the file with a new name for the changes to show up. Now, let's jump into ComfyUI. We'll start with the Load Text File node from the Was Node suite. I like to connect this to a set node named text file to keep things clean. To pick which data block we want, I use a string node to type in my ID, like 1 or 7. But how do we pull just the data for that specific number out of a huge text file? We use Regex. Wait, what is Regex? It stands for regular expression. Think of it as a super-powered search tool. Instead of just searching for a word, Regex looks for patterns. It tells ComfyUI, find the block that starts with my ID number and grab everything until you hit those 2 empty lines. It's like a laser-guided search for your data. Once Regex grabs our block of text, the data is still stuck together in one big string. We need to separate them. We use the text split by delimiter node from ComfyUI Mixlab nodes. Set the delimiter to /n, which represents a new line. Set the max count to 4, or however many lines of data you have per ID. Now our text is split into a list. To use these items individually, we use the Select NTH item, any list, node from the impact path. I'll add 4 of these nodes. Index 0 gets my first image path. Index 1 gets my second image path. Index 2 is my upper text. Index 3 is my lower text. I'll use set nodes, var1, var2, var3, var4, to send these wherever I want in my workflow. Let's see it in action. I've set up a workflow that stitches 2 images together. var1 and 2 go load image node as file paths. var3 and 4 go into a text overlay node for the bottom and top captions. Watch this. If I change my input ID from 1 to 7 and hit Q, ComfyUI automatically pulls the new images and the new text for Robin and Batman. This is a lifesaver for batch processing. You can jump around IDs or go in order. The creativity is up to you. Download the workflow. I've made this entire workflow available for you. You can find the link to my Civitai profile in the video description below. Feel free to download it, explore it, and adapt it to your own projects. Important note on nodes: if you open the workflow and see a bunch of red boxes, don't panic. That just means you're missing some custom nodes. Simply open your ComfyUI Manager, click on Install Missing Custom Nodes, and it will handle everything for you. Support the channel. If this tutorial helped you save time or gave you a new idea for your art, please like the video and subscribe to Cao 2025. It really helps the channel grow so I can keep making these for you. Also, let me know in the comments below. How are you planning to use this data loading trick? I'd love to hear your creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe.